What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Sarah Luhu, and this video is brought to you in partnership with Sephora. We're gonna have a little fun today and unbox the November Play by Sephora Beauty subscription box. If you're not familiar what Play by Sephora is, it is a subscription service. So you pay $10 a month and you get this cute little box shipped to your doorstep, filled with 6 products from top brands at Sephora. So let's open this baby up and see what's inside. The theme for this month's box is beauty for self-care. And in every Play by Sephora box, you get a cute little comic strip. This one is on theme. It says the Stay In and Play book. Get it? It's like a playbook for treating yourself, pretty much. On the back, you have like a self-care crossword puzzle, perfect to do while you're like in the bath, relaxing, while you're masking. We have a word search and then spot the difference games. But if you open it up all the way, you get the rundown of all the products that are in your box. And every single box comes with this rundown of everything that's included, which is nice. It kind of gives you more information about the product. And it gives you like what was chosen specifically for you. So I already know I have 2 that are chosen specifically based on my Play profile. And so that's really cool because it's kind of catered to me. And then the bonus for this month is an Atelier Cologne. So let's dig on in, see what else is inside this box. Another thing included in every Sephora Play box is this reusable and recyclable bag. This is what all the product samples come in, and it's really cute because they're always decorated, which is just adorable, and they're really great for reusing. For me, I travel a ton, you guys already know that, and I use these to put all of my like liquids and small travel size products in. Pretty much all the products that come in this bag get put in this bag when I'm flying places. But they are really cute and great to just reuse. But if you don't want to reuse them, you can always recycle them. I've purposely not looked at or tried to focus on the comic strip because I like the samples in the bag to be a surprise for me. It's just something I do. So we're gonna just reach on in. The one thing I know what we have in here is that Atelier Cologne because it's the bonus. But I'm gonna reach on in and see what we have first. Ciate Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. You guys have actually asked me multiple times to review this primer, and I've been meaning to, and now we can test it out and see what it's like. I'm just gonna open this baby up so we can get a little feel for what it's like. It's cute. It has like little ball crystals on the inside. I'm guessing those are the bursts of hydration. Put some on the back of my hand just to get a look at what that texture is like. Okay. Very, very hydrating. Very thin, doesn't really have a thick feel to it. So if you're not a fan of thicker primers, this is probably a good option for you. It feels more like a serum than a primer, which I'm here for all day. Lovely. And it's already like absorbed. So fast absorbing, always a bonus. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, so here's our Atelier Cologne. And it looks like it's like a little postcard. The scent is Pacific Lime. Ooh, that sounds lovely. I'm like a hoarder of fragrance samples, like these little travel sized bottles are the best thing ever because I keep them in every purse, every bag, every like nook and cranny of my life pretty much, because if I forget to put perfume on, I kind of freak out. And they're just nice to keep everywhere because you don't have to like worry about forgetting anything because, or if you need a refresh too. Like halfway through the day, I like to refresh my perfume or my fragrance, and that's what these little minis do. Let's give it a smell. Oh, it does. It smells like a vacation. So when I use these samples, I just do like a dot on each wrist and then I press them together. I don't rub them together. Someone told me at some point that you should really just place fragrance on you and not rub it in. So I place it on my wrists and then I dab it onto my neck and I leave it like that. Oh, and I can already smell it. Happy with this one. Definitely going in my purse or wallet. Somewhere close. Let's see what's next. I feel like I'm doing like a giveaway and I'm picking out raffle tickets. Keels Calendula Serum Infused Water Cream. I already have this, huge fan of it, but I have the full-size version, so I'm very excited to be able to have the small, like, trial size, because this is what I like to travel with, this size. I have a bunch of their masks in these travel, like, sizes, so I'll definitely be putting, once I finish this, my big products in this little one so I can travel with them. So I love this water cream. Great for people with sensitive skin. It's very, very, very lightweight, and it is actually infused with serum. So it's almost like putting a serum and your moisturizer all at once, a double whammy. Next up, Lancome Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. I've never tried this before, so I have to just put this on my hand right away because I love like feeling skincare items. So there we go. It is thin, so it is a concentrate. It is thin like a serum, but it is very like silky and very soft. Like it makes your skin very silky. That's kind of the only way I can describe it. But this may not even make it to the travel size because I'm going to be using that every day now. And here we are at our 6th item, the last one in the bag. Drumroll, please. A lippy? Clinique. A Clinique lippy. It's a lippy, right? Black Honey Almost Lipstick. Ooh, I like that name. Black Honey and the Almost Lipstick. I like the product name and the shade name. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so looks kind of like a balm. Like you can tell it's going to be sheer. It's not going to be super duper saturated. And I'm digging like the undertone. So let's see what it looks like on. Okay. Oh, I'm not mad at this shade, first of all. At the feel of it, it feels like a balm, but it definitely has more tint to it than like a tinted lip balm would, but less than a lipstick. It's an almost lipstick. Whoever named this, you're a genius. And this is really big for a trial size, so winning in that department. So that's everything in my November Sephora Playbox. You could have some of these items in your November Sephora Playbox. You just have to subscribe by November 11th. That is the cutoff date, but luckily I've made it nice and easy for you, and I put the subscription link below. Until next time.